Hello friends, welcome back to dreamdegreeabroad.com. In today's video, I will guide you how to apply for fully funded scholarship that is offered by University of Bologna in Italy. So this is a fully funded scholarship for Masters and Bachelor students. So you can apply for this scholarship without any application fees. To apply for this scholarship, watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is go to Google and type University of Bologna. After searching, you will see several portals. First is Student Online, second is International Students, and then click on International Students portal. Once you open the International Student portal, you can get complete details about enrollment, what details are required for bachelor, for exchange students, and for masters. Everything is mentioned on this website. You can read it if you want. Further details about how to apply will be explained in this video. Next, open the Student Online portal. Here you have to click on Student Online Services. Once you open the Student Online portal, there are two options, Login button and Register button. If you are a new user, then click on Register button. But if you have already an account, then click on Login. I have already made an account and I am clicking on Login. After logging in, you will see a page where you need to click on Admission Application. After clicking, a page will open where you need to select your type of degree program. For bachelor, select first cycle degree program, and for masters, select second cycle degree program. So I am selecting second cycle degree program for master's degree. Then move to the next. Click on the next button. After selecting for masters, you will see the programs like aerospace engineering, artificial intelligence, automation engineering, biomedical engineering, civil engineering, and other departments are available at the moment. You must also check the language of the program. Programs are in Italian, so make sure to verify this. Click on Call for Application to see the details about the program, language, and other information. Once you choose your desired program, all deadlines and details are visible here. So for bachelor programs, the process is similar. Now select the program and click on Next. Now select the entrance exam group, the only one is available. Then choose it and click on Next. Now your personal data will appear that you have entered at the time of registration. Check it carefully and correct if necessary. Then click on the Next button. Next, provide your qualification. If you are applying for master's program, then provide bachelor information. Select the place where you have done your bachelor. I have choose Pakistan. Enter university name and then degree. Enter municipality and then click on Next. Okay, enter your postcode. Then click on Next. After this, proceed to the statement page. Click on the second one, non-EU citizen residing abroad, and then click on the Next. Now comes the application summary. Check it and then click on the Confirm button. Now comes application details. My application status has been accepted, but it shows I have not completed my application yet. Below are the requirements for completing your application. Let's check them. To complete your application, fill in all the statement fields. Let's check them. Click on Statement button. Here you have to fill 7 statement fields. Check them and fill them accurately according to your information and then click on Save button. Let's move back. Now let's see the missing documents. Your certificate, your ID card, CV and English proficiency B2 level. Then attach your documents here. Once all your documents are uploaded and the forms are filled, your application will be automatically completed and submitted. So this was the complete process to apply for the University of Bologna fully funded scholarship for Masters and Bachelor students without any application fee. But remember, some programs have application fee. So let's check the requirements and then apply on this program. In this way, you can apply for this fully funded scholarship. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.